Yes, I've got roughly 8 years in the commercial industry and 3 years in like residential and domestic. Personally, just to improve my skill set, as an individual, I could see it was something that I was lacking in the domestic side of the construction industry. It's actually a lot more complex than in the commercial. It's easier. If I was estimating, 2,000 square meter concrete floor, it's 3 materials. It takes 5 minutes to do, but there's that many things involved in the domestic side. It was just to help me improve really as a project manager. It was funded, which is obviously a big advantage, and the software seemed really useful. I hadn't heard too much about HBXL before. After doing some research, it just seemed like it was a great package, and I just thought it'd be worth giving it a try. To give me more confidence in estimating, more confidence, and just to be able to provide a better service. Yes, it was the first few modules were getting to learn about the software and how the course would run, and it gave me an insight to what was coming up, and it was staged very well. So we started off with a smaller extension and then leading through to the more complex modules, and we were given more to do each time. Yes, definitely. Having done it, 100%. So if anybody's thinking about doing the course and they are worried about the cost involved, I can guarantee that you'd make that money back 10 times over. They were great, really helpful, very knowledgeable, and really nice to get on with as well. They were really supportive. Yeah, the support from start to finish was great, especially Tom. I'd like to, give him a mention because he's been really, really helpful. If anybody is considering doing a course, you need to allot the time. I don't think personally I allotted myself enough time, and I was playing catch up. But I did manage to cram it all in. But yeah, I'd just say that if you're doing a course, make sure every day that you're doing the course, allow yourself an hour or two afterwards just to get your head around what you've just learned, and it'll help you. I think it's a great way to work. It just allows you to, sometimes I was doing a course from home, sometimes I'll be on site, sometimes I'll be in a coffee shop. So it's just really great to be able to just stop what you're doing and learn wherever. If you're considering doing the course, allow yourself the time, after. I recommend doing it straight after the course is finished. It's not always possible, but the team are really great at reminding you and helping you along if you need it as well. Every time that we did a module or we completed a module, it was you felt like you'd achieved something. It gave you that much more confidence moving on to the next one. And then as soon as you start putting that into practice, for your live jobs, which I was doing alongside the course, using the software, it's great. It's less daunting and less of a bugbear or a gripe. It's something that normally you want to get out of the way and then start the job or move on to the next part of your day. But now it's enjoyable. There was modules on with business support and how to develop your business, some health and safety modules, and some help understanding building control and regulations, which was all really helpful. Yes, and more. It's given me, I've got a lot more out of it than I was expecting. It's made a real difference to the way I work. Yes, because I've already made that time back, and I'll continue to do so. It's made me more confident in estimating. It's allowing me to provide a better service to our clients, and it's freed up a hell of a lot of time. Go for it. It's only going to benefit you. And, if you're any worries that you might have, the team are really helpful, and they get you through it. I seem to be doing a hell of a lot more estimating now. So yeah, we're continuing to grow the business. It's allowing us to be more competitive, more time efficient, and to provide a better overall product to our customers.